Welcome to Module 2 of the course, and congratulations on the successful completion of Module 1. Module 1 was an orientation module, but now we're really going to get into the meat of the course, the actual real content of the course. Hopefully in Module 1 you had a chance to review the course syllabus, and on the syllabus you noted that there are 5 learning outcomes for the course. The first learning outcome is to define online identity and online reputation, and that is the whole purpose of this module. So you'll notice there is a written lecture here in Module 2 in which we define in our own terms, according to us, what is meant by online identity and online reputation. In addition, there's a video that we would like you to review, and then there's also a short, very short quiz at the end of the module that you'll need to complete in order to progress on to Module 3. So this is a very, very short module just to kind of put everything into context to make sure that we're all working off the same definition. So you'll notice in the print lecture that when we define online identity, what we're referring to is that content about you that exists online. That could either be content that you create or that others create about you, but that anyone can find when they do an internet search for you. So that is what we mean by online identity. We make a subtle distinction between that for the purposes of the definitions between online identity and online reputation. With regard to online reputation, what we're talking about is once someone finds that information and reviews your content that makes up your online identity, what opinions do they then form about you? What impressions do they get about you? What do they think of you as a person based upon that content that they review? And that is your online reputation, like it or not. And as we'll get into a little bit more detail later in the course, anyone reviewing that content about you has their own particular perspectives, points of view, potential biases that affect how they view that information about you. And so when we get into later modules in this course, we're going to see how that concept is so very important when we're thinking about our online content that's out there about us and how it impacts our career. It has implications in our personal life as well, but we will not get into that for the purposes of this course. But those are your definitions, so take some time, review that written content, review the video, take the quiz. This is a very short module, the shortest one in the whole course. So successfully complete the review of the lecture and then do that very short quiz, and we will see you in Module 3. And in Module 3, we really get into a very fun exercise where we dig in and start researching the online identities of some folks and sharing with one another what we think the online reputations are for those folks based on what we find about them. So very, very fun, little more substantive module coming up in Module 3. So enjoy Module 2, and I'll see you soon.